With the products created, I want to show you how to make them transparent, allowing any background to show behind them. There are multiple ways to do this, but let's start in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to Select, then click Select and Mask. From there, simply paint over the part of the image you want to make transparent using left click. If you want to undo or restore an area, hold Alt plus left click. You can right click to adjust the brush size, hardness, and spacing. Try experimenting with these settings, then paint over the objects you want to make transparent. Remember, the closer to the edges, the better for a clean selection. When you're done, click OK in the bottom right corner. You'll notice a scribbly line around the objects. If you right-click on it, select Layer via Cut. Then, to unhide the background, simply click the eye icon in the bottom right corner, and there you go. You've successfully made a transparent image. Now, all you need to do is save a copy of it. Next, I want to show you how to do the same in PowerPoint. Start by dragging the image into PowerPoint. Then, go to the Picture Format tab and click Remove Background. Here, you can use the Mark Areas to keep and Mark Areas to remove tools, following the same principle we just used in Adobe. Use left-click to fill in the areas you want to keep. The big difference between doing this in PowerPoint versus Adobe is speed. If there is a clear border between the object and its background, PowerPoint can quickly detect and remove it. In this case, we have a clean white background, so PowerPoint handles it easily. However, if the image is more complex, I recommend using Adobe Photoshop, as it gives you greater control over which areas to fill. When you're done, just click Keep Changes. Now, right-click the image, then select Save as Picture. And there you go. You've successfully created a transparent version of the image.